Hello, greetings from Sudirman Team. Let me introduce myself. My name is Cindy Magnolia. I'm with my partner, Reza Arif and Intan Adila. Today, we want a presentation for International Design Challenge 2022. For the last few years, digital investment is increasing at the millennial area. Millennial area is very interested with these products. For creating a best interface, we do a research from market and from news, and we have the result that we want to create a digital investment platform that gives us an easier and integrating platform that is supporting too from BNI that say digital investment platform is strong along with increasing for easy to use, and from Kata Data too that digital investment product is increased up to 26%. Why? Because millennials want to causing digital investment to easy to use, high profit, safe and protect by OJK. We create a user flow to get us to create a platform. First is homepage, product, edu news, and portfolio, and the last one is profile. We're creating a lovely design to implement our idea into the sketching in the paper, and then we causing to the best for our app layout, and then we got to second step to implement our sketch into the wireframing, and the last one is we do with prototyping. So this is the prototyping that we have to create for welcoming page comparison, news, portfolio, and product investment. And here's the details for transactions and activation. We also do the testing. We have to create a user persona to help us to find the best person, that the ideal person to testing our apps. And the feedback is so positive because they're giving a very good us to decide, and then it saves time and easy to use. So the summary is our product is very great. We have to achieve the goals that user can view the available products that switch from settings at products and portfolio to see the highest. There is from us. We say thank you.